Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, today's date, Tuesday, April 15th, 2014. Market action is pretty wild today. You had an initial gap higher and a push into the 200 moving average before the market sold off to go negative, testing the lows from the last couple trading days. Here's Friday's lows, Monday low, Tuesday low. You can see someone's out there defending this, actively defending it, whether it's the Federal Reserve or banks, who knows. But ultimately, this now becomes the line in the sand. As long as you stay above it, look for a neutral to upside bias. If you get below it, look for downside potential and quick. All right, very easy to read this chart right here because, again, you can see the massive buy program. I mean, look yesterday. Markets came right down there to gap fill. Gap fill was right here. From Friday, we tagged it, and then a buy program shot this market all the way into the close, into this morning's pop, and then reversed today, and then again, right there, the market blasted higher. Now, I'm in the camp right now coming into the holiday season that we will see a little bit more upside. Again, if you recall, Friday the markets are closed for Good Friday. Sunday is Easter, so we're in the middle of Passover as well. Lots of holidays around here, so you do anticipate the market's neutral to upside bias. Okay, so that's what we're seeing there. I did use this opportunity yesterday into the close and today to pick up a couple longs in the research center. And again, the research center is geared towards swing traders and investors. The brand new website is up. You can find our track record on our website under In the Money Action. Okay, or free market action, I should say. And you can check out how much we've made this year alone, which is 150%. Approximately 150% gains in 2014 thus far. Even putting just 10% in each position, you're still talking about a 15% gain while the markets are flat to negative for the year. Right, that's what swing trading does. That is awesome, folks. It is just outstanding, and that's the right way to play it. That's how we always want to trade this market. Up and down, making money, whether it goes up or down, is the way. Okay, markets right here. What are we looking at? Well, today would be the second green close, so that would solidify neutral to upside week. And again, I think you could see a little profit taking on Thursday into the close just ahead of the holiday. But aside from that, look for this trend line. See this downsloping trend line? If I zoom out, it's coming from this pivot high, so that's going to be your first major resistance. And I think, again, we probably hit that either tomorrow or on Thursday morning, and then you probably see a little bit of a sell-off in this range. Okay, that's what I'm thinking right now anyways, so keep that in mind, and again, use that to your advantage. Now, I still think you're going to get good bounces at certain levels here in certain stocks. First off, I'm just going to mention what I picked up yesterday and today because they're already quite a bit in the money. We're making money again. Number one, IBB Biotech Index, guys. Picked this up yesterday towards the lows. It dipped on me a little early. Now we're back in the money. Right now we're in the money about $5 on this trade. And again, this is a beautiful thing here. This is an absolutely beautiful thing. Look at this level right here. All right, just look at this. These are the charts you dream about. Okay, absolutely dream about these charts. Pivot highs, you broke out, you retraced, you broke up, and now you've retraced into this level. This should be a very substantial bounce level on the IBB. I have a target right now about the 230 level. 230 level, okay? All right, so that's what we're seeing right there. The other play that I just picked up today was this play on Netflix, and look at this. I picked it up right down here. It got through gap fill in the last couple days, but this little pivot low right here, okay, that is what you're looking at right there, and that is a great level. So heads up on that one. That's a phenomenal thing, and I think down from $450 to $326, we should continue to see a pretty substantial bounce in Netflix. My guess is it trades back up to about the 350 level or so, where I'll probably start taking some profit. So I'm looking for about a 10% move, both on the IBB and on the Netflix chart. There are other charts out there that I was going to pick up, but I decided against it today. Yelp was one of them. I have a great level on Yelp. Look at this. All right, look at this area right here on Yelp. Just a tremendous area of support stretching all the way over here. That is an awesome level right there. So Yelp, again, should bounce. It's already up 75 cents today, but this should continue to bounce in the coming days. I was actually going to pick it up at $60 today, and I just, since I picked up the other play already, I decided, yeah, I got enough out there now on the long side. My business partner, Nick, picked up a play for our Research Center members yesterday as well. That's doing well. And, we decided that since we got those already, we'll just stick with those in the short term because this is only an interim bounce before we see some more downside. So just be aware of that. I mean, I think that's what we should really make everyone aware of is that this market right now will have a bounce we anticipate and continued upside, but it's going to be limited. So you can't stick around forever. You're going to have to start shorting again. In fact, this morning I did cover one of my shorts, and it was a perfect cover on this. I covered my IWM. I'd been short IWM since 114. I covered at 108 and change right here. Okay? All right, very simple. Why? Because double bottom right here. We're expecting a bounce into the holiday. Came right there. And look at the bounce on IWM since I moved out of that short and I covered that short. So the profits, that's another 5% gain on IWM. We're already in the money on IBB and on Netflix. This is the way it's going to be, folks. I mean, this is the way it's going to be. It's awesome stuff, and you want to just continue to enjoy it, make money in this market up and down. That is exactly what we're doing, and we're going to continue to do. So enjoy, and all I can say is come join us in the Research Center. Really, just come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You know my outlook in general. If you want to get more information, if you join the Research Center, take the 7-day free trial. You're going to be getting all my nightly videos, all our swing trades that we give out to our members, and everything else. So, again, we'll see you there. We look forward to having you there. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take care.